Hey guys, I'm doing this little video just to show you what's the latest to come out of my little garage here. It's an 87 Buick Grand National that was fully frame off restored. Car only has 69,000 kilometers original. The car didn't have one speck of rust on it. We just sandblasted the frame, did the whole underneath of the car, painted the frame, changed all the suspension parts, bushing, whatever needed to be changed was changed on this car. It's a CF5 car which has an Astro roof, which is pretty rare. And the interior of the car, we kept the original interior of the car because it only had 69,000 kilometers and it was in immaculate shape. So we kept all the original interior. As you can see, so yeah, the car has 69,000 kilometers, which is about, 58,000 kilometers, which is roughly about 41,000 miles for you guys in the USA. Car's got concert sound and the CF5 roof. The interior is in mint shape. Not a tear, not a crack in the dash. That's the trunk with the original spare that's there. I'm just awaiting a complete dress-up kit for the trunk, which I'll be installing soon. The wheels are the original wheels of the car. Never been re-chromed, never been modified or whatsoever. The engine is almost bone stock. It's got a 3-inch downpipe. It's got an adjustable fuel pressure regulator. It's got a hot wire kit and the typical K9 air filter with the solid MAF pipe. But except for that, it's pretty much bone stock. Oh, and it's got the vacuum conversion brake. But we still have the original brakes. It's just that the new owner wanted vacuum brakes on the car, so. Starts like a champ, runs like a champ. So yeah, that's the latest to come out of my garage. This car's been sold, so it's going to a new owner here in St. Hubert, Quebec. And on to the next project, an 86 Grand National that's in the garage. Thanks a lot, guys.